Hey guys, it's Ella here from Calling Tennessee Home, and today I want to tell you about the Poo-Pourri Before You Go bathroom spray. And this particular one I have today is the Tropical Hibiscus. I'm a huge fan of using these. I'm going to show you one more time, see if it'll go in focus. If you don't know anything about Poo-Pourri, what you want to do is spray a couple sprays of this in your toilet before you go, and it will help cover any smells that come out of it. They do use essential oils in the fragrance. So to my knowledge, there's no artificial smells that are included in it. The Tropical Hibiscus one though, it has this really nice fruity, almost candy type smell to it, and then like a little bit of a floral aroma. So if you're looking for maybe a little getaway in your bathroom, this is a wonderful choice. They have a ton of different scents and varieties, even little holiday packs. I definitely recommend it. This one I believe is good for up to 100 uses. So if you're spraying it once, you can use it 100 times. If not, it's going to last you between 50 and 30, depending how many sprays you put in your toilet. I would recommend at least one, but sometimes you might need two. These are really handy if you don't care to smell other people's poo. Leave them in your bathroom so when you have guests, husband, significant other, spouse, wife, kids even, you can help cover up their poo odor.